Well, that's a completely new look for everyone. So yeah, we've been working on the Mustang a little bit this weekend. It's been a few weeks because the merge pipe, as you guys saw in the last video, which was 3-4 weeks ago, maybe longer, which I apologize about, but got the merge pipe back. It fits great now. It's been coated, so that's on. And we wanted to fit some pieces, get some pictures. This piece doesn't go like this. We have to trim out behind the headlight over here, and that's where it'll run. So this was just more so we could grab a photo op with all the pieces on, so that'll come off. But really, it's starting to take shape. It's starting to look good. I think this lens is super filthy. Let me clean this. Really, the turbo kit's coming together. We have the hot side, cold side ran. You can see the intercoolers on the front. We ran into a deal with the, let's see if you can see it down here. Get some light on it. We ran into a deal where, since I have the upgraded turbo, it comes with a V-band on it, but the intercooler piping doesn't. So I'm going to order the V-band flange that I need for that, an aluminum one, so I can get it welded on there, and then we can use a V-band clamp on that, and it's a little more secure than just like a coupler, especially coming right off the turbo like that. You don't want that to be blown off when you're racing or doing whatever it is you're doing. So we got that. If we climb underneath, you'll see exhaust comes down right here. Oh, camera lens cover. And then it snakes through this suspension right here, like this control arm, snakes through and then turns down to right there. So the exhaust is coming together, which is good, but the kit is missing a V-band clamp for the piece in the back that goes to this little Y pipe. So I had to order another 4-inch V-band clamp. But yeah, you know, it's kind of the woes of the On3 kit. It's got some things, it's missing some things. You gotta adjust a lot of things. So, you know, just kind of a temperamental kit. You never know what you're gonna run into on the next step of the process. And then also, I was sick. You can kind of still hear it in my voice. I've never had the flu before, and I got the flu. We had the flu on Christmas Day. My whole house was sick, my wife and my daughter. So super unfortunate, but we're feeling a lot better now. Shirley still got it. She's on the other side of it now. She's on like day 3 or 4 of it. So it's been tough with her being sick, and, you know, getting out here in the holidays and working on the car with all your buds has been difficult. But we're managing. We're getting through the holidays, you know, with all the family in town and all that fun stuff. You know, it's just back to working on the car, I guess. It's a little intimidating what's left, and, you know, the amount of time it's taken to get to this point. But like I said, it's kind of, you've got these big ups and these big downs with this kit. On3 did cover the cost to recoat the merge pipe since it didn't fit, so props to those guys. But they did let me know that in the future they're updating their instruction sheet, and it says, it's going to say to test fit everything before you get it coated, because they're not going to offer that to everybody. So don't bank on that. The proper way to do it is to install everything, make sure everything fits, and then take it all apart and get it coated and put it back together, which seems like a lot of work, but it is what it is, and you got to do what you got to do. So props to them for covering that. It's just a lot of this other stuff, the little merge or the little V-bands and the flanges, and having to get that welded on. I mean, the 2 V-bands cost me $45-50 from Amazon, and then it's going to cost me $40 to $50 to get some dude to weld it on. So that's another $100 that I wasn't looking at spending, that you now got to spend. And, you know, you can say in the scheme of things, it's not a big deal, but if you got $100 here, $100 there, and then it just adds up. So, however, there is some exciting news. My neighbor, Mike, Joey, you see Joey in my videos all the time, helping me on the car. Oh, and by the way, shout out to Chase. He helped us get to this point today, so thank you, Chase, for coming over. But back to Joey, they live right down the street from me, so I'm gonna run down there. I actually have a new part for the Mustang. It's an exciting one, but I wanna go see Mike because he's building his Mustang right now, and he got a super cool part. So we're gonna run down the street, and I'm gonna show you guys that. Oh, and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, my truck was hit in a parking lot. It was a hit and run. So I got a video coming out just for that. We're going to talk about that. But I got to run right down here. He took it all.
Look at that in there.
So cool. Need this.
Look at that shaft.
Well, guys, I'm switching over to a Whipple. No, just a 2018 intake manifold. So I picked up Mike's 2018 intake manifold because he's putting this beautiful, is it 3.0 liter? Yes. 3 liter? Whipple supercharger. I'm super jealous. Dude, look at how good this kit is. It comes with a binder. No, I'm just kidding. This is Mike's binder. But it comes with colored, detailed, crazy instructions every step of the way. And so Mike and Joey have been doing it all weekend long, and they're killing it. They started, I guess, Friday night?
Friday. Yeah.
So Friday, Saturday, and tonight's Sunday night. So they're crushing it. They're going to start it in no time. But yeah, it looks good. This little black radiator up here. This little tank with a pump. Man, it's just, this is a great kit. And it looks super, super good. Like if you take, it just looks factory. Like that should be an option from Ford. But yeah, I'm jealous. Mike's gonna have a running supercharged car before me.
I'll wait for you.
No, don't wait, Mike. Don't wait. Enjoy yours. Enjoy yours. Don't. He doesn't want the stress that I told you guys about earlier. So, but yeah, super, super happy for him. But yeah, for sure though, I'm getting this. So I picked that up from Mike. So we'll 2018 manifold my car. You know, better airflow. It'll be nice. And there we have it, boys. There is my new 2018 intake manifold. It has 3,000 miles on it. Looks great. Now we just got to install it on the car. So that's it for this video. I know it's been a while. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have questions, as always, leave those down in the comment section below. I try and answer all of them. And then I know a lot of guys have been hitting me up on social media asking about the kit. So I know it's kind of not a working video, more of an update video. I don't know if that's lame or if you guys appreciate seeing this, but the next one will definitely be us working in the garage, have the boys in here, and we'll be wrenching. So I do appreciate your viewership. Thanks so much, guys. We'll catch you back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.